So, can you tell me about your background experience in learning English as a second language?
Well, it started when I was in grade 4, where I was awarded as one of the best in English subject, where I didn't expect about that because English is not in my list as priority to study about. But when I come up with a high degree or in high school until college, I learned to love English as a second language to understand.
Second is when you were in your first year of college, was there a time when you felt nervous, anxious, or embarrassed while speaking English? And what caused those feelings?
Yes, of course. As first year college back then, I feel so nervous when I was standing in front of the class and stating my answer about the questions from the teachers because I thought that what if I committed a mistakes and what would be the cause of it or my classmates would think about me. So that's the reason why I feel so nervous about to speak in English.
So, how do you feel when interacting with native English speakers or people who are very fluent in English? And how does this affect your willingness to speak or participate?
Well, of course, it makes me feel nervous. I feel so pressured when I meet people who are very fluent when it comes to speaking English. But then, I love English as my second language as I'm learning about it. So, whenever I meet people with speaking fluently in English, I was very excited to speak and connect to them. As I know within myself that I can learn more better when I'm interacting with them.
And how did your personal experiences as an ESL learner shape your teaching strategies and approach to teaching English today?
As a student studying English or studying Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, I think English subject contributed about my strategies in teaching English in a way that um, it makes more my teaching very effective when it comes to when I'm the one teaching about grammars, punctuation, or any related things in English. In that way, I can make my lesson more engaging and um, effective or more meaningful.
As a fourth year college student, how would you describe your current level of confidence in using English both academically and socially?
I think in a way or I'm in way to go there in a very not actually good as I really wanted it to state that, but I think it is well when it comes to academic purposes. I am well in speaking or like for reportings or any other activities related to academic activities. But when it comes to social interactions with people or interactions with people who are very fluent when it comes to English, I will say that I am very um, not that good enough when it comes to speaking it. So that's it.
And have there been moments when you felt comfortable or confident using English? And what made those situations less stressful for you?
I think it is when I'm with my friends or with the people I love because we are open about mistakes and committing wrong grammars because we thought or we know that in that way we learn more better when we commit mistakes, correct each other. So in that way will we grow about learning second language. And of course, what makes comfortable about it is that when we're watching movies or any um, talks about um, or any movies that is about English or who are speaking English.
And for the last question, what are your main reasons for learning English? And how do these reasons motivate you to continue despite difficulties?
I want to connect people globally. I want to have more opportunities. That's why I want to learn about English because we know English is the global language or the language used by people globally. So in that way, I can more understand different cultures and traditions within people outside our country. So in that way, I will be more knowledgeable enough about different languages. So this kind of reasoning is the one that motivate me to go on and proceed in reading English books and other related materials that is enhancing the skills of reading second language.